was talking about this room. Now we're going to the next room, the chocolate egg room. You may be thinking there's no such thing as the chocolate egg room, because there isn't. It's just I couldn't get squirrels, so that's what happened. These are the chickens who are meant to give different types of eggs, chocolate eggs. These are the rotten eggs that they throw down the hole with wonka salt. The reason why there is glass is to get the lighting and to give an industrial feeling. This is where all the chocolate seeds come from. It goes down here into these pipes and into the food things, and then you see that it goes into there, and then they eat it. And the chocolate eggs are meant to go into this, even though they don't. That's pretty much it. Goodbye, everybody.